Yo, what's up everyone? Today in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put music behind your snap or your stories you put on Snapchat. So basically, many people are facing this issue that they have been seeing people where they post music on their Snapchat stories with their stories or Snapchat status or Snapchat posts. So basically what it is here I'm going to show you. So I'm going to just draw a bunch of doodles and add a bunch of stickers on this story, for just this tutorial sake, for the sake of this tutorial. And once I'm done with that, I'll just fast forward this one anyways. So yeah, once I'm done with that, what I'm going to do is you can see the music icon there on the screen, on the right side of the screen. So if you click on the music icon, it's going to take you to this window where a bunch of artists and a bunch of music names are going to show up. So basically what you need to do is select one of the artists or select one of the songs or search for one of the songs that you want to do. Let's suppose you want to search for your favorite artist, just search his name, it'll show up the songs of that artist. So you can just select one of those songs, or I'm gonna just select one of those from this menu that I'm seeing a bunch of songs. So you can just also give it a try by pressing that play icon in front of the song. If you press that, then you can also give it a listen and you can make a choice that whether you want to go with that music or not. So if you think that this is good, I'm gonna go with Save Me Please. So if you think it's good, what you gotta do is just click on that music and then press next. So it's gonna take time depending on your internet connection. It's gonna download that music, and after that, it's gonna show you this window on the bottom of your screen. So basically, what it is you can scroll through it, so you can choose any part of the music that you want. So it won't be longer than 30 seconds. Basically, Snapchat has the copyright of each song for 30 seconds, so you can use the 30-second part of any music that you want, any song that you want. So then you would get this option on your screen, so you can just keep it anywhere you want. So I'm gonna just keep it here and just click on next and just put it on my story. So to show you, I can just go to my profile, and after here you can see that I've posted this. So basically I've muted the music because copyright issue, YouTube sometimes just never lets the creator share something. So yeah, so I can't share you the music, but anyways, this is how you can post music on your snap stories or status. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment if you have any question, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.